Hi everyone, and welcome to a brief explanation of pronouns on your latest grammar nibble. Today we are talking about those little words that help us avoid repetition, which is saying the same thing over and over again. My brother Luke is older than me. Luke is a nice guy. Luke has a nice car. We don't speak like that, okay? We would replace the word Luke with a pronoun. He, in this case. We've already taken a look at possessive pronouns, okay, which are these guys right over here. Perhaps you're seeing this one first and you'll get to possessive pronouns later. Either way, they are included in this lesson, but we're going to focus mainly today on subject pronouns, object pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. Subject pronouns do exactly what they say. They act as the subject of a sentence or a clause. Okay? In other words, they go with a verb. Peter gets up early. He has his alarm clock set. So that is let's see. There we go. He is a subject pronoun, okay, because it works with a verb. Now, subject pronouns don't necessarily have to come at the beginning of a sentence. They often do, but they can come a little bit later. Okay, so if we keep looking, we'll find another he. Now, where's the verb with that one? It's not this one. It's an adverb. It's this one right here. Turns it off. So those are our subject pronouns. Object pronouns receive the action of the verb. Okay. Okay, his coffee from, it was given to him. Okay, so give is the verb here. And of course, it is a subject pronoun. Was given is the verb. And gave to who? To whom? To him, right there. Okay, and then of course we have possessive pronouns. Let's see if we find any of those. It just means something that belongs to someone else. Okay, what about his? It's right there. It's listed as a possessive pronoun. It's not actually a possessive pronoun. It's what we call a possessive adjective because it's telling us who the coffee belongs to. What we're looking for is a word that replaces another word. Okay, so let's go ahead and look for that. I'll look for that in a second. Reflexive pronouns are when you give or do something to the same person, so to yourself or to themselves. There's an example right there. Let's go ahead and do those, and then we will check back in. So now we've got all of our pronouns listed here, and you can see we've got a lot of subject pronouns, 4 object pronouns, 2 reflexive pronouns, and only 1 possessive pronoun. And if you look here, we've got another her here. But do you see how there's an S on the end? Hers. That makes it a pronoun. This is a possessive adjective. The difference isn't really that important. You just need to understand that a pronoun replaces another word. And this, the her, doesn't replace anything. It just adds more information about name, which makes it an adjective, not a pronoun. So let's answer some of these questions. In sentence 2, which word replaces Peter in sentence 1? He, of course. He usually turns it off. What is the verb in that expression? Turns off. And what does it refer to? Of course, the alarm clock. It was given to him. Was given. What does him refer to? Peter. Okay. They love cooking for themselves. Okay, and it refers to they, or of course, Peter and Sharon. Okay. We know exactly what Peter and Sharon watch on TV. No, that's false, okay? Because we only know that they watch something. And down here we've got a quick grammar quiz, and subjects pronouns go before verbs. Okay, object pronouns go after verbs. And we've got a few mistakes in here. I like mine car. Now remember, we said that a possessive pronoun, like mine, replaces a word. So if you were already talking about cars, you could say, oh, you know what? I like mine, which means my car. But we're not saying that here, so we need to write that out. I like my car. It belongs to, okay, now belongs is a verb that needs an object. So we don't need the subject pronoun there. We want the object pronoun. It belongs to me. It's mine. And there is the correct use of the possessive pronoun. And then down here we've just got some general pronouns that we use as kind of a catch-all when we don't know exactly what we're talking about. Have you traveled? Okay, travel is talking about a place, anywhere. Would you like something to drink? And not everyone living in the UAE can speak Arabic. So that's a quick review on pronouns. The best way to get these in your head is, one, to practice them with the questions that we have for you later in this activity. And of course, try to use them in your writing and focus on them. They're these little words, like I mentioned before, and many people don't pay much attention to them because they're small and they're everywhere. But getting pronouns correct is one of the things that will make your English sound much better. Good luck.